Here at Stricklin PorterConstruction, we offer all different types of services, from home building, commercial building, site work, demolition.
Stricklin PorterConstruction is building the finest houses in Zachary.
They are setting out to build a quality home. Some of the craftsmanship that I've seen already in their cypress beam work, I've walked the interiors of the property just getting to know this group, and they're going to build a good home.
Stricklin Porter is a family-run operation. Everybody from adults, grandparents, to the kids are involved, and they treat everybody that comes in like family also.
We take care of all of the construction, dirt work wise, from trees and grass to house pads. We do our own spray foam, try to get in the insulation side of things just to make sure that our houses are solid.
It's kind of something unique that all of my family is kind of tied into the construction end of things. My dad, he's the CEO of the construction company, but he also is involved on a day-to-day basis, making sure we're staying on task in the home building and delivering the product that construction and Stricklin Porter land wants to be known for. You know, like I say many times, is our name is way more important than the money. But also my uncle is the CEO of the construction company. My mom designs for us.
The men go in there and they build a structure. She comes in and tells us where to put the windows, what type of doors go in there, what color it needs to be, where a countertop is, and things that when you walk into a house, you're like, wow, I just love this, and that'll be the things that she does.
The way Michael is so excited, it makes working for a developer like them a lot easier when they're responsive and really pride themselves on what they're trying to build.
With Michael and what they do, they're not just concerned about construction. They're concerned about the consumer themselves and the well-being and the safety, but also too, you want something that over time, the value is still there. And all that Michael does add to value, and it actually has to, makes the value last.
What I've noticed the most out of them is that they give back to our community. Their signs are at the baseball park, their signs are here. They've given money to our location, and all of our money goes back to kids. The more that we give back to each other in business and we turn around and give that back to our community, it just makes us stronger.
The construction company would not be the construction company if it wasn't for the great employees we have.
We have the most dependable employees in Zachary.
And our management team, I mean, it's phenomenal. We're always on site. Everybody knows what's going on.
We have our hands on it from the ground up.
Sometimes, just like about 2 weeks ago, me and my partner, Chris, we were out there laying sod. It's whatever it takes to get the job done to be able to deliver it. And we're all about doing what we say and delivering when we say we're going to deliver.
We have the capacity to build not only our house pads, we can build your house pads if it's on your lot.
I would put my money on Stricklin PorterConstruction that they are going in the right direction.
We can make you a truly unique home.
And we deliver a product that we're pleased with, and I guarantee you, you will be pleased with. Michael Stricklin here with Stricklin Porter Land. Look, if y'all want to learn more about our inventory and the projects we have going on, and also keep up with Munson Hills, click the subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's go. Come on, guys. What are you waiting for?